So guys, here we are inside of Dig. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a AFK macro which you can use to farm while you're asleep, while you're away from your computer. It's going to be super useful because you're going to be able to use this macro to make a lot of money overnight, whereas otherwise you'd have to be farming, guys, which takes a lot of time. So let me go ahead and explain how you guys can get this macro and use it in order to essentially AFK the game, guys, like you wouldn't otherwise have been able to. So let's simply get on into it now. First step is to come to the description and click on the GitHub link, guys. You'll be sent to this page. You're going to want to click on the releases page thing over here, and then guys, we can go ahead and download the dig tool. So go and click on dig tool, and what that'll go in and do, guys, it'll go in and download it for you. I'm just going to, I guess, save it here. Then what we're going to do is, guys, we're going to open it up. So let's go ahead and click on that, guys, and that's going to open it up. Now keep in mind, it will probably say Windows protected your PC. It is a false positive, guys. This is not a virus, so just click on more on phone run anyway. I think they are trying to fix that, guys. They've contacted Windows or whatever, and they said they will be getting that fixed pretty soon. But anyway, guys, you're now going to see this dig macro over here. Now if I click on F1 and just do it over here, guys, then it is pretty much not going to do much. Let's click on like F1, and as you can see, guys, it's not really doing much at all. That's because, guys, this is what we need to go ahead and do over here. We essentially need to set up some settings on this macro. So let me explain. The first one, guys, is we're going to click on select area. So first we'll click the dig and then click on select area. You guys are going to want to select down here, this bottom bit over here, guys. Try to do it below where the text appears, because otherwise it probably will not work. Also, guys, if you do have the sell anywhere game pass, you can also set up the sell button as well, guys. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you properly. So essentially, guys, if I now click on F1, it should go ahead and start to dig for me, guys. As you see, it is now digging for us. I've clicked on F1 and here it is, guys. It is digging. We literally don't need to do anything, guys, which is super cool. Now the only problem is that it doesn't really loop. I'll show you guys how to make it loop later on. So essentially what I need to do again, guys, is I need to walk forwards. I need to click F1 again. Oops, I accidentally clicked one. I'll walk forwards, I'll click F1, and that should go in and set the macro off again, guys. As you see, again, that is AFK macro over there. So the question is, guys, is that how can we go ahead and make this loop and stuff, and also what are the best settings? Because as you see, guys, there's a lot of different settings that we can go ahead and do over here, which I'll be talking about later on in the video. Let me go ahead and explain those right now. Now, guys, if you go ahead and look at Kerbo's channel, that's who I've linked down below, he's who made the macro. He does link his Discord. Join this over here, guys, and go to settings, and you guys can see people sharing settings for different shovels and stuff, guys, and specific shovels. I'm going to be showing you guys some general settings over here, guys, which work on all shovels, which are super overpowered, guys. So let me go ahead and come back here, and let's go ahead and show you guys these settings. So line sensitivity, set this to 50. Zone min height is going to be line min height is going to be 100. Zone min width 100. Zone max width percent, go ahead and set that 80 over there, guys. Zone min height 100. Keep them as they are over there, guys. Saturation threshold, you guys are going to want to set this to 0.5. Now on behavior, zone smoothing, let me go ahead and see what this is over here, guys. So essentially, zone smoothing, yep. Target whip, this is the same, guys. Post click blindness milliseconds, keep that the same. Now on here, guys, so system latency, we're going to set this to 3. Max prediction time, we are going to set this to 35. Min velocity 300, and prediction confidence 0.6. enable prediction as well there, guys. Next, auto walk settings, so we can go in and set these on over here, guys. You can enable auto walk if you guys want it to walk for you, guys. So if you want it to walk for you, you guys can make it walk in a circle, for example. So if you enable auto walk, as you can see, guys, it is actually walking for us in a circle there, and it is actually digging for us right now, guys. I mean, to be fair, I feel like we have kind of messed up a few of those settings over here, guys. Now let me just turn off the macro over here because it is currently on and I don't really want it on, guys. But yeah, auto walk can do the walking for you, which is pretty cool, guys. So let me just, actually, I know why it wasn't working. It's because I full screened it. So whenever you guys change like the size of your tab, you need to reselect the area, guys. So let me just select it down here, and now it will work again, guys. So if I go back to F1, it will work again, as you guys should be able to go and see over here, guys. I mean, is F1 on right now, guys? F1, boom, here we go. Let's try this again. Is this on? Stopped. Okay, here we go, guys. Bot started. So yeah, honestly, I feel like some of these settings might have messed up for me potentially, guys, but you can of course always just reset them back to normal later on. Settings, guys, as you see, reset to defaults, and that will reset you back to normal, guys. You can also save the settings if you guys want them for later. Hotkeys, guys, you can set your hotkeys there. Window, you guys can just set that there, guys. Discord doesn't really matter. Auto sell, you guys can enable auto sell every certain amount of digs. Auto wall, auto walk must be enabled first for auto sell, guys. But you can set that on, and you guys can also set the sell button. So what you do is, guys, you'd open your backpack. One sec. You'd open your backpack, and if you had the sell inventory button, guys, you would go in and click on set sell button, and you'd set that over there. And essentially, guys, you will be able to go ahead and just click on the sell button, guys, and you'll be able to go in and sell right there, which is super cool. So that's awesome, guys. That's another thing which you guys can do. So you can not only AFK get items, you can also AFK sell them as well, which is awesome. Now, if you guys go ahead and set this up, I think if you guys set it up in this area, guys, in the verdant area, and you pretty much go right next to one of the merchants, you guys can also AFK sell it there, which is super cool, guys. But if you wanted to loop, of course, what you just do is you would go ahead and auto walks on. Shovel management, enable auto shovel, so you guys can auto grab shovels, guys, as well. But anyway, yeah, if I go and click on, do I equip my shovel, F1, oops, let's start it, guys, and then it should go ahead and start AFK going for me, guys. Of course, I forgot I do need to select area again because, well, I did reset the settings there, guys. So yeah, if we F1, and it should go ahead and start for us, guys, which is going to be awesome. So yeah, essentially that is how to go ahead and use this AFK macro here, guys, inside of Dig. Now, of course, you guys can kind of fine tune those settings there and make them perfect to your device, your computer, your shovels, guys. And I definitely recommend to check out that Discord server where you guys can find other people sharing their settings. But of course, all the necessary links that you guys will need will be down below in the comment section. Now, if it doesn't loop for you guys, you can download Tiny Task to go ahead and loop it by just simply clicking every single time you're done digging. But yeah, that is pretty much the Dig macro. Now, of course, as more of these macro versions come out, I will be making extra videos on the channel showing you guys how to use this macro and the new versions and stuff, guys. So if you do want the newest Dig content, then make sure you do subscribe to the channel right now with the notification bell on, so you guys do not miss out on any videos here when it does come to Dig. But for now, guys, I think that's all I really have to say about the brand new Dig macro, which you guys can use, and I guess like and subscribe for more, I guess, guys. And by the way, if you want to know the best shovel progression guide and the best farming places, I've got videos showing you guys those, just check those out. But yeah, I guess like and subscribe for more.